Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to put on a school tie easily. Start by draping your school tie around your neck. Make sure the wider end is on your dominant side, hanging about 12 inches lower than the narrower end. This initial length difference is crucial for a well-proportioned knot. Now, simply cross the wide end over the narrow end, creating a clear X shape right below your collar. This sets the foundation for a neat and easy knot. Next, take the wide end and bring it up through the neck loop from underneath. Guide it carefully so it emerges at the top, right above your collar. Once it's through, pull the wide end straight down, gently tightening that initial cross you made. You'll notice the beginnings of your knot taking shape right under your chin. This step is key to establishing the structure and ensuring a firm foundation for the rest of the knot. Now, take the wide end and pass it horizontally across the front of the knot, moving from your right to your left. Then, bring the wide end up through the neck loop one more time, coming from underneath. Finally, thread that wide end down through the loop you just formed on the front of the knot. This action secures the main body of your tie knot, making it ready for the final adjustments. To finish, hold the narrow end of the tie and gently slide the knot upwards towards your collar until it's snug. You can also create a small dimple just below the knot for a more refined and professional appearance. Make sure the tie hangs straight and the knot feels comfortable, not too tight. With a little practice, you'll be tying your school tie perfectly in under 30 seconds, ready for your day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.